Now we are going to perform full adder. Now in case of full adder, you can see that this is the diagram of your full adder. In full adder we are having two XOR gate. These are the two XOR gate. For this we will be requiring IC 7486. Here there is one gate. Here it is the second gate which we are going to use. There are total 4 gates in this IC. Similarly, here you are having two AND gates. Again we will be using 7408 IC over here. That is your this 7408 IC. Here we are having total 4 AND gates. We require only 2, so we will be using these 2 gates, first 2 gates. Similarly, at the end we will be using OR gate where we are having carry. So we will use one of the gate, that is this one. Okay, you can see that the structure of all these ICs are similar. Pin number 1 and 2 are the input and 3 is the output in all these cases. Okay, as we have already studied the half adder, so you know how to give the supply. So we are using here these IC. This is your IC 7486, that is your XOR gate IC. This is your AND gate IC, that is 7408, and the last one is your IC 7432, that is your OR gate IC. Okay, so we have to do the connection as given in the diagram. Here I have done the initial connection. I have given the supply. The green wires over here is your supply, that is 5 volt, which is given to pin number 14 VCC. Similarly, the ground is also given. Ground pin is also given, which is the 7th pin of each and every IC, which is shown here by black wire. Okay, now we are going to do the initial connection. For the initial connection, first we will be using XOR gate, to which one of the input is A and B. Its output is given to the another input of XOR gate. Okay, and the second pin C is given to one of the input. So right now we will be using first XOR gate, that is your first IC, which is this one. Okay, 7486. So the first pin, suppose these are the 3 inputs I will be using. This is A, B and C. I have done it in the sequence so as to remember A, B and C. So in this case, what I will be doing, to the A input I will connect first pin, that is A. Okay, to the second pin, this is your second input, which is given to your second pin like this, and its output. Now third pin is the output, which will be given to your second gate, that is second XOR gate. So it will be, the third is your output, which will be given to the next pin, that is pin number 4. Okay, pin number 4, that is your input pin. Okay, next pin number 5 is your again input pin, which is nothing but your pin third input, that is C. So this is given to, this is your third wire, which is given to the next input, that is next input. ओके, अब आपका एक ही बचा है, ये दिस एक ही स्लॉट बचा है, that is pin number 6, which is nothing but your output. Okay, so one of the LED I will choose, again 4th number LED I will choose, and this will be given to pin number 6. So I will connect it to pin number 6. Okay, so these are all connection related with your XOR gate. Okay, XOR gate. Now next we are going to do the connection for AND gate. So this is the first AND gate which we are going to connect. This will be connected to A and B. इसके जो पहले दो इनपुट है वो A and B को कनेक्ट होंगे. तो I will be having one of the wire. So this is your second IC 7408 is your AND gate IC. So I will be using first input. This is your first input. I am using yellow wire right now. Is connected to A. तो इसमें का ये जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट था ये आपका A था. So I have connected it over here A. Similarly आपका जो सेकेंड है इनपुट that is B. B is connected to your second input, that is B. In the previous case I have connected these wires over here. Okay, right now it's not visible as there are many wires present over there, so I am connecting it to this slot. Okay, A and B. Okay, so this is my AND gate A and B. Its output is going to the one of the OR gate. So I will connect its output. I will connect it output. I will be using yellow wire itself. इसका जो थर्ड पिन है ओके, थर्ड पिन जो है वो आपके OR गेट के फर्स्ट पिन को जाएगा. दैट इज योर फर्स्ट गेट, राइट. इस तरह से. ओके, अभी नेक्स्ट क्या है आपका, दिस इज योर नेक्स्ट गेट. अब हमें सेकेंड AND गेट के कनेक्शन करने. सेकेंड के AND गेट के कनेक्शन क्या है, जो आपका फर्स्ट वायर है वो कनेक्ट है C से, राइट. तो ये C से हमें कनेक्ट करना है. और जो सेकेंड वायर है वो कनेक्टेड है आपके फर्स्ट वाला A और B का जो XOR गेट का आउटपुट था वहाँ पे आपको कनेक्ट करना है. ठीक है, तो दिस इज नथिंग बट योर पिन नंबर 3 इन योर IC. तो एक आप कनेक्ट करोगे पिन नंबर 3 को और एक कनेक्ट करोगे आपके C को. ओके, सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू नाउ, again we will be using so now I have to connect pin number 3. So I will be using first 1, 2 and 3 this blue wire. Okay, this blue wire is your pin number 3. This will be connected to the next AND gate of your second IC. So your pin number 4 will be the input. So I will connect it to pin number 4. Similarly the next input is C. So this next wire, pin number 5 is connected to C. Okay, so this C I have connected it to C. Okay, now its output is given to the next OR gate. Okay, so अब इसका जो आउटपुट रहेगा, this is the output means pin number 6. Pin number 6, you have to take care that it should not get short to other wires. So pin number 6 is connected to the second pin of your OR gate IC, that is IC 7432. Okay, and hence we can see that this is the its output is connected to the OR gate. फर्स्ट वाले का जो आउटपुट है वो OR से कनेक्टेड था, सेकंड का फिर से OR से कनेक्टेड है, OR के दोनों इनपुट कंप्लीट हो गए और इसका आउटपुट जा रहा है कैरी को. ठीक है, तो अब ये जो नेक्स्ट वायर हम लोग लेंगे वो आपका होगा कैरी बिट. ओके, सो ये दो इनपुट हो गए, फर्स्ट और सेकंड, और ये आपका थर्ड जो रहेगा दैट इज योर कैरी बिट. सो आई विल कनेक्ट इट टू द 0 लाइक दिस. ओके, 4 इज योर सम एंड 0 इज योर कैरी. यहाँ पे कहीं पे तो भी 4 आएगा और एकदम लास्ट वाला है आपका कैरी. ठीक है, now we have to check our truth table. Okay, so we will start with the truth table. First initial state 0 0 0, so the output over here is 0 0. No LED is on over here. Okay, next input is 0 0 1, 0 0 1. So the output over here is, you can see that the sum is on and carry is 0. Next is 0 1 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. Next is 0 1 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. Next is 1. So next input is 1 0 0. So we are getting the output as 1 0. Similarly, next input we will give as 1 0 1. So the output is 0 1. Next input we are having as 1 1 0. So the output is sum is 0, carry is 1. Next input is 1 1 1. So the output is sum is 1 and carry is 1. Hence we have seen the full adder. We have seen the truth table of full adder.